This car already very much looks like we drove almost 500 miles in it already. I was just taking a video that says that this car already looks like we've definitely... Well, we did it. We did it. He's back there somewhere. It's raining. I thought the desert was supposed to be dry. It's been a lot wetter here than I thought it was supposed to be. I ain't gonna lie.
This isn't your first casino, is it?
First Vegas. I went to North Carolina. I just love how everyone's a tourist and no one gives a fuck what you're doing. Nope. It's not here. Oh wow, cool. We're at the very, very end of this long ass hallway. Okay, upgrade. Huh? Fine. Alright, cool. We can have a total dance party in the bathroom. Walk in, shower, hey, holla. Ooh, this bathroom's gonna be on point.